but I don't see any.
Okay, here we go. We got contamination on the deck to be removed and sanitized. Now, let's go down this way to the shed. We also got a dead bird here, which needs to be removed. How we got there, I have no idea.
They don't catch birds, do they?
No. Okay, moving over, coming along to the deck. Deck's over there, as you can see. Nah. No, we're just gonna take it. I have in the car, but I'm too used to this.
You are.
When we're working, it's a different thing. I'm just viewing
I'm
it.
gonna open and run.
Yeah, you go ahead. Okay, we have a small shed. Contamination on some of the tools, shovels. We have odor present from the raccoon contaminant. We have it here on the shelves. And further going back, can't be sure until we do a content manipulation. I can see by the door there's some, and I'm sure there's other further in. So contents will need to be taken out, tractor, etc., so we can do a proper job on the shed itself. As you can see, if I move along, there's some down there. I don't know about further over until we remove the contents, but I'm sure there's other present. But the odor is here, definitely. Anyway, that concludes the inspection for, what's the address again?
16 Madras.
16 Madras.
And I did